Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about fashion accessory. Uh we'll discuss that how can you earn on Amazon by selling fashion accessories. So to know about fashion accessories, we're going to read an article on Wikipedia about fashion accessories. So let's go let's read this article without wasting much more time. Fashion accessory. In fashion, an accessory is an item used to contribute in a secondary manner to an individual's outfit. Accessories are often chosen to complete an outfit and complement the wearer's look. They have the capacity to further express an individual's identity and personality. Accessories come in different shapes, sizes, hues, etc. The term came into use in the 20th century. Types. Fashion accessories can be loosely categorized into two general areas: carried accessories and worn accessories. Carried accessories include purses and handbags, hand fans, parasols and umbrellas, wallets, cans, and ceremonial swords. Worn accessories include cravats, ties, hats, bonnets, belts, and suspenders, gloves, muffs, necklaces, bracelets, watches, eyewear, sashes, shawls, scarves, lanyards, stocks, pins, piercings, rings, and stockings. Shoes, boots, sneakers, and all types or footwear are not accessories but wear for the foot. The type of accessory that an individual chooses to wear to or carry to complement their outfit can be determined by several factors, including the specific context of where the individual is going. For example, if an individual is going to work, their choice of accessory would differ from someone who is going out to drinks or dinner. Thus, depending on work or play, different accessories would be chosen. Similarly, an individual's economical status, religious and cultural background would also be a contributing factor. History. In Victorian fashion, accessories such as fans, parasols, and gloves held significance for how women experienced gender, race, and class. In this era, there was a trend for women to adopt or aspire to a more leisurely lifestyle. Consequently, gloves were often used by women to cover their hands and mask any sign of labor. During the early 16th century, in Italy, hat badges were worn by civilian men of higher social status as a decorative item. In imitation of the cape badges worn by the invading military, hat badges were often worn in conjunction with a decorative sword and hilt. Hat badges were fashioned after plaquettes and often depicted a scene with personal relevance to the wearer. So that was the article about fashion accessories. Now, as you got the idea about fashion accessories, that what are they and some types of it, like we understood probably everything about fashion accessories. So now we are going to move forward on the Amazon official website, and then we will going to search fashion accessories to get the idea about fashion accessories, like to get the idea about selling of fashion accessories like costs and orders and much more. So as you can see, I am here at the Amazon official website. So now we are going to search here accessories. I hope I've wrote correct spelling. Okay, so let's see. So I've searched here fashion accessories, and here is a lot of products related to fashion accessories. So we will check one product from all of these, and we'll get idea from that, like how much costs it like how much their cost and profits etc. So here you can see here is a glasses that is named as Ray-Ban RB364 8M, the Marshall Li hexagonal sunglasses, and as you can see it costs around $197 with different colors, and you can see that the cost is very high, and because of its expensiveness you will get good profit in just a one sell. So it's a worth to sell fashion accessories on Amazon. So you're gonna start selling fashion accessories on Amazon. So yeah, that's it for the today's video. I hope you've understood everything about it. So let's end this video here. We will meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. See you. Allah.